Hi guys, I am Cesar Misael Perez Guzman and she is Montserrat Guzman Gonzalez. We are from the Faculty of Civil Engineering and this is our fourth video of learning which with consists in an interactive dialogue with Becca. Hi Monse, how do you think today?
Very good, Cesar. For what does tell me about the topic of construction?
Clearly, the issue is interesting since it is rather basic in the construction of roads, and this is called the curving mass.
Are you serious? Tell me more.
We let the we let me inform you that the curving mass is defined as a diagram. We represent use volume in the ordinate accumulation so much cause embarking the axis. It represents millions of the study points.
Interesting, but all this, what is the purpose of this curve?
The curve mass seeks the balance for the quality and economy of the movements of line. It is also a method that indicates the duration of the movement of the excavation volumes, the amount and location of each of them.
Good, Cesar. But for example, how are obtained the results?
Because that was very simple. While the ordinates of the curve are algebraic to an initial arbitrary dimension value of the volume of what with positive seed and field with negative value. The volume are correct by applying a coefficient of 30 more to cut or by applying a coefficient of reduction to fit.
This is super fine, really interesting is this, Cesar. Tell me, what is to produce the project of the curve mass?
Well, these are the steps. Pay close attention. First, project the flux on the drawing of the profile of the terrain is determined of each station or the points that guarding it the taking of cut or fill. Through topographic cross section, construction sections are drawn. 4. Draw the terraplane, cut or fill with 10,000 according to the type of material of the topographic section to 11 the cross section of the drawings. 50. Area of cross section on the rad the any of the reading union methods are calculated. 6. Are calculated volumes above could or be the reduction of the marking means according to the type of material and method chosen. Draw the curve with the previous value.
Completely understood. Many thanks, Cesar, for taking the time to explain me what the curve means. I completely understand.
Yes, but now you explains on the subject of chemical reaction in the tab.
Okay, the chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is a process by which one or more substances, called reagents, are treated substances with different properties, called products. Meanwhile, the substance can be chemical elements, matter formed by atoms of the some kind, or chemical substance that result from the union of two or more elements for the periodic table. An example of the chemical reaction is the formation of the iron oxide resulting from the reaction of the oxygen in the air with the iron.
What happened in chemical reaction?
The bonds between the atoms forming reagents are broken. Then atoms are reagents differently and forming new bonds.
Are characteristics of chemical reaction?
The new substances that are usually represent completely different aspects or which had the starting substance. During the reaction follows an observed power. Exothermic reaction is exude energy in the course of the reaction, and endothermic reaction absorbed power during the course of the reaction. The law of conservation of mass is fully. The sum of the masses of reactants is equal to the sum of the masses of the products. This is because during the reaction atoms hyper or disappear, just render in the different layouts.
How many types of chemical reaction there?
There are three types of reaction. Reaction synthesis or addition, decomposition reaction, and substitution reaction.
Could you explain each of the types of reaction?
Yes, we test the reaction synthesis or addition. In that reaction, two or more elements or compounds are combined, resulting a single product.
What is the difference between synthesis and addition reaction?
General, in the addition reaction are two elements, and the synthesis reaction is a compound of an element more. The decomposition reaction. The reaction are reverts from the synthesis and are touched in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant, usually with the head or head of electricity. The substitution reaction. With this type of the reaction, there are single represent or double represent. A substitution reaction is the one where an atom or group in chemical compound is replaced by another atoms or groups.
What is the reaction of simple substitution?
When a simple substance reacts with another compound, replacing on the these compounds.
And the
Or metastasis and occur when there is exchange of elements between two different compounds and touch the original new substance.
well, interesting, and what it says, Monsieur. Thank you for taking your time. I'm very clear about chemical reaction.